So the next topic that we are going to discuss is the set of real numbers. Let us define first real numbers. So real numbers are numbers that can be seen or plotted on the number line. Or real numbers refer to all numbers that can be represented on a number line. So what you see here are integers, negative 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these integers are real numbers. But aside from integers, there are also numbers in between two integers. So for example, dito, 1/2. Meron pa dito. Yan. 1 and 1/2. So 1 and 1/2 is a real number kasi na-plot natin siya sa number line. So here, this point is negative. So negative is also okay, or negative 0.75 or negative 75 hundredths. This one and 1/2, pwede ring 1.5 or 1 and 5 tenths. Okay, yung pi is a real number also, no? So yung pi, the value of pi is 3.1415. So let us round up to the nearest tenths. So 3.1. So dito yan. 3.1. So dito yung pi. Ayan. Pi. So yung square root of 3. Tingnan natin, square root of 3, no? Let's use calculator to find the value of square root of 3. 1.73. So 1.7. So this is 1.5. So mga dito siguro. So dito yung square root of 3. So lahat ng numbers na mapaplat natin dito, lahat yan real numbers. Okay? So decimals, fractions, pi, perfect squares, non-perfect squares, lahat yan real numbers. The set of real numbers is divided into two groups, or there are two subsets of the set of real numbers. So one subset is the set of rational numbers. If we can express the number to ratio or fraction in which the denominator is not 0, then that number is a rational number. So all fractions are rational numbers na. Kasi basta as long na yung denominator is not equal to 0. Kasi yung pag denominator is equal to 0, hindi siya real number. So bawal ang denominator na 0. Okay? So all fractions are rational number. So yung decimals, some decimals are rational numbers, some decimals are not, no? Repeating decimals are rational numbers. So for example 0.5. Ang hirap pagsulat dito. That is 0.5. Yeah. We can express 0.5 to ratio or fraction. Paano? Pwedeng 1/2. So the ratio is 1:2. So the denominator is not 0. So therefore 5/10 is a rational number. How about yung 0. Negative? 0.333. Repeating and non-terminating decimals. 3. Paano natin siya gagawing ratio or fraction? If there is only one digit repeating, so gagawin natin 3 over, isa lang yung 3/10 minus 1. Pag isa lang yung nagre-repeat na digit, kapag dalawa na, pag tatlo, 1,000. So this is equal to 3/9. 3/9 reduced to lowest term. This is equal to 1/3. So negative 0, negative. May negative. Negative sa numerator natin. So negative 1/3. If you will divide negative 1 divided by 3, babalik sa dito sa negative 0.333333. So negative 0.3333 is a rational number. Again, rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Yung negative 1, integer. Yung 3, integer. Yung 1, integer. Yung 2, integer. So, ratio of two integers. The set of real numbers. Pareho ng ating topic. So, the set of real numbers is divided into two groups or subsets. First is the set of rational numbers. The second one is the set of irrational numbers. So, if it is not rational, it is irrational. No? So, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be, no, that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Pag pwedeng i-express as ratio of two integers, rational yun. For example, Mga digits, no? About 100,000 digits na non-repeating, non-terminating after 9. So we cannot express pi as a ratio. So therefore, pi is an irrational number. Pi cube all non-perfect squares are numbers. Square root is of 7 is not a perfect square. Therefore, square root of 7 is an irrational number. Or 20. Square root of negative square root of 20 is an irrational number. Or yung e. Meron tayo sa calculator niyan. E. Ang value ng e is e. Wait. 2.71. 2.718. 1. Marami pang digits na sumunod na non-repeating, no? So e, pi, and all non-perfect squares are rational or numbers. Set of rational numbers are divided also into two. First is the set of integers. What you see under the number line are integers. So the set of integers is composed of negative integers, positive integers, and zero. Kasi zero is neither positive nor negative. So another rational numbers is the set of non-integers. So yung negative 1/2, kahit negative siya, hindi siya integer. Negative 1/2 is a non-integer. 6.75 6.75 is a non-integer. Lahat ng may decimal at saka may fraction, no? Hindi pala lahat. Sum. Kasi yung some decimals are irrational numbers. Some are non-integers. So, kapag yung number may nakadikit na decimal or fraction, yun ay non-integers. Yung decimals terminating, hindi non-terminating. Okay. The set of negative integers. Siyempre, you are all familiar with this, the integers, kasi this was discussed when you're in grade 6. So the set of negative integers, so ito yung mga nasa left ng 0. So all integers na nasa left ng 0 ay negative integers. So the set of integers is divided into two. The first group is the set of negative integers, the set of whole numbers. So yung the set of ito yung the set of negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Yan yung set of negative integers. Ito ang the set of whole numbers. Nabanggit ko na kasama ang 6. Since mayroon siyang arrow dito after 5, kasama dyan yung 6, 100, 1,000, 1 billion, 6 trillion, ano yan, whole numbers sila, no? Starting with 0. So the set of integers is composed of negative integers and the set of whole numbers. And yung the set of whole numbers, yan, two groups din sila. 0 yung isang group, 0. The set of natural, counting, or positive integers. If we will use natural, we will use numbers, no? Natural numbers. If we will use counting, counting numbers. Pero pag ginamit natin yung positive, dapat hindi numbers, integers. Okay? So the set of natural numbers, counting numbers, or positive integers. The set of numbers. Counting numbers. So this is the schematic diagram of the set of real numbers. So the set of real numbers is divided into two, the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. The set of rational numbers is divided into two, the set of integers and the set of integers and the set of non-integers. And the set of integers is divided into two again, the negative integers and the whole numbers. And the whole numbers is composed of 0 and natural numbers or counting numbers or positive integers. So we can say that the set of rational numbers is a subset of the set of real numbers, as well as the set of irrational numbers is the subset of the set of real numbers. So ganun din dito, sa set of non-integers, subset siya ng rational numbers. At yung integer, subset siya ng the set of rational numbers. Kumbaga yung subset, mas maliliit na set. Okay? Madidiscuss natin yan later. The Venn diagram of the set of real numbers. So dito yung real numbers, yung rectangle, yan yung ating universal set. Yung universal set, doon nakapadoob yung mga pinag-uusapang mga elements. No? Lahat ng elements na kinoconsider natin nasa loob ng universal set. So our universal set here is the set of real numbers. So ito yon. The set of real numbers is divided into two groups, the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers. So sa set ng irrational numbers, dito yung pi. Dito yung e. Dito yung negative square root of 2. Dito yung square root of 11. Kasi lahat ng Hindi perfect squares, irrational numbers. Pi is an irrational number. E is an irrational number. So, kaya ito pi, hindi siya magiging rational number kasi wala siya sa loob. Magkahiwalay sila. Yung E, kahit kailan hindi siya magiging rational number. Magkahiwalay sila. Okay? So, nasaan dyan yung natural number? Ito yung natural number. Di ba natural number are positive integers? So, dito yung 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So, yan yung natural numbers, counting numbers, or positive integers. Natural numbers. Sa whole numbers, hindi na tayo maglalagay ulit dito ng 1, 2, 3. Hindi na tayo maglalagay kasi nasa loob na ng whole numbers yung 1, 2, 3. Eh. Di ba sa set, bawal maulit ang elements. So, no repetition of elements. So, ang isusulat na lang natin dito is 0. So, ang set ng whole numbers ay 0. Tapos yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay. The set of integers composed of 0 and positive integers. May 0 na tayo dito. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth na tayo. So, hindi na natin siya isusulat ulit kasi bawal maulit ang elements sa set. So, ang isusulat na lang natin dito, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 100, and other negative integers. So, dito siya. So, ang bumubuo sa integers, negative numbers, and whole numbers. Kita niya? Ang bumubuo sa integers, negative, ito negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 100. Yung 0, integers din kasi nasa loob din siya ng circle ng integers. Tapos yung positive integers, 1, 2, 3, nasa loob din siya ng integers. So, yan yung bumubuo sa integers. Okay. So, nasaan dyan yung 1/2, sir? Dito. Sa labas. Ayan. 1/2. Kahit mayroon pang negative yan. Negative 1.3. Yan. Zero 0.6. May bar sa taas. Yan. Mga non-integers yan. Negative 6, 1/2, negative 1.7, negative 1.33333, ay, negative 1.3 lang pala to. Yan. Ayan. Mga non-integers sila. Non-integers are rational numbers. They are not integers. Kasi ang integers nasa loob lang ng malaking circle ng integers. Sir, saan po dyan yung non-real number? So, yung mga non-real number dito, square root of negative 25. Non-real number to. Kaya, nagpapanggap lang siya na number, kaya nasa labas siya. No? yung 5 over 0, nagpapanggap lang na number. So, non-real numbers sila. Wala sila sa loob. Kapag non-real numbers, hindi siya kailanman magiging rational, hindi siya kailanman magiging irrational. Dahil ang pwedeng maging rational at saka irrational, real number lang. Okay? So, this is the Venn diagram of the set of real numbers. Okay? So, meron kayong sasagutan. Pwede nyong i-base dito, no? Pwede nyong i-base dito yung pagsagot niya. Copy and answer in notebook, in your math notebook. So, tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay? So, write true if the statement is true and write false if the statement is false. Okay? So, mamaya, balikan nyo tapos i-post nyo na lang, ha? Para makopy nyo. Then, sa second part, ito. Consider the given numbers which are on the leftmost column of the table. Check as many appropriate cells as possible. So, tatanungin nyo lang ang sarili nyo. Is 8 a counting number? So, sasagutan ko na yung number 8. Is 8 a counting number? Pag answer mo ay yes, i-check mo. Pag ang answer mo ay no, leave it blank. Is 8 a whole number? Yes, it is a whole number. Is 8 an integer? Yes, wala siyang kasamang fraction, wala siyang kasamang kadikit na decimals. Yes. Is 8 a non-integer? No, so leave it blank. Is 8 a rational number? Yes. Pwedeng gawing fraction or ratio, 8 over 1, 8 is to 1, pwedeng 16 is to 2, or 8 over 2, pwedeng 80 over 10, or 8 is to 10. So, 80 is 10. So, pwedeng gawing ratio kaya rational siya. Since rational na siya, hindi na siya magiging irrational. Okay? So, since may check dito sa rational, real siya. No? Okay, yan. Pag walang check dito sa rational, walang check sa irrational, parehong walang check sa real. Kasi pag hindi siya real, wala siyang check dito. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, copy and answer. I will send you the answer key so you can check your own work. Now, see you on our consultation. Bye.